Sanufu, Mosi, Tiv, Hausa, Songhai, Rima, Fulani, Ibibio, Ifik, Nukwe, Bine, Yoruba, Igbo, We, Fon, Popo, Ga, Akan, Ashanti, Fanti, Temni, Mendi, Kizi, Kru, Vai, Pele, Wola, Baga, Sway, Fang, Erima, Bobani, Nuba, Songhai, Congo, Kimbundu, Umbundu, Umbundu.
Freak, how we are, Solvanana. Who are we in the past house and things like that? Sylvia Charlestown, South Carolina. Here we are through all these yalla, Jacksonville, North Carolina, Jacksonville, Florida. We will still be the walk the shalan like we ancestors. We plant the soul into the soil, in the sea islands. Care all of these think for Halkebulan, the Kiasya, in the Shamash. But this year we host in the soul, in these rascal thing. And high inside of me, where we care truly love, when they think they've been whole we soul. We reach back to what our ancestors that we had and carry into the short time. We will still be in the Gullah nation, the whole upon the land where we ancestors them been a slave upon. And so we hold the land together as family upon the family compound and things like that. Even now, we still are coming together, like we've been coming together, but make sure the world know we the one nation. July 2nd, 2000, the children gather from Carolina down to Florida, from Sullivan Island again, for his stool, the old queen. Queen quit, chiefess, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee nation. The elders with the daddy stand together, and all of we still did together. Yeah, in the Gullah Geechee nation. And if 100 children that wonder about who we be Gullah Geechee anointed people.